Extreme portability, single pass crushing, long wear life. The 2-in-1 rock press is a patented dual chamber rock crusher that eliminates vertical pitman motion while creating a peristaltic crushing action that results in a downward force on fractured rock. Crushing cycle efficiency is improved from 50% in a standard jaw to 100% or continuous flow in the rock press. This crushing action, combined with the downward force on the material crushed, allows for a bidirectional horizontal tooth design, as well as use of high chrome iron for jaw dies. Wear rates for chrome iron liners in a jaw-type crusher far exceed standard manganese liners, which allows for a horizontal tooth design. By incorporating the crusher into a pintle hitch type trailer, the unit becomes truly portable and allows crushing a 14-inch maximum pit run to 1-inch discharge in a single pass. This first prototype shows the crusher in operation in Alberta. Rates of crushing will vary from 40 to 80 tons per hour depending on feed material and discharge settings. The unit weighs under 24,000 pounds and can be hauled by a tandem axle gravel truck or a 3-ton towing vehicle. The use of horizontal tooth liners reduces slivers and increases percentage face fracture in a single pass. Pre-screening input material will increase production rate, while final screening may be required to separate product and achieve final road specifications. The second prototype was designed to address surge loading while producing a constant feed rate to the crusher. Beneath the hopper is a variable speed horizontal belt which discharges to a second conveyor which feeds the crusher. This assembly is mounted on a 35-foot, 45,000-pound GVW trailer with quick connect air brakes and a pintle hitch. Because of the light weight of the crusher and conveyors, road bands are not an issue in moving at any time of the year. The crusher is powered by a 100 horsepower John Deere diesel engine which drives a liquid coupler, eliminating need for a clutch while providing an extra level of safety. Conveyors and any additional accessories are powered by a 20 kV diesel genset. One standard size bolt has been used on the above deck assembly, making removal of all trailer mounted components possible with 2 wrenches. Electric motors and drives are easily removed using quick connect electrical connections. Removal of all components above the trailer deck can be done within 2 hours. For viewing purposes, the crusher is shown without guards and engine enclosure. Also note that the material being crushed is extremely wet, which has the potential of bridging within the crushing chamber. Crushing material should be as low in moisture as possible to allow maximum production. With 2 crushing chambers, the crusher can be set to 2 different discharge settings if desired. Adjustment takes about 20 minutes and the crusher can be set to discharge from 3/4 inch to 4 inches in finished product. Crushing to a finer product reduces rate of discharge simply because of the cross-sectional area of the discharge opening. When choke fed, rock up to 14-inch diameter will be crushed, although a finer setting, large rock, will diminish the rate of crushing. Rock is discharged to the side of the trailer and then requires a stacking conveyor to move material from the site area. The 20 kV genset has the capacity to accommodate extra conveyors or screens. Moving the complete crusher is as simple as it appears. The trailer is connected to a tractor or tandem axle gravel truck using a pintle hitch. Upon arrival at the crushing site, 3 sets of trailer jacks are set in place and an electrical ground is installed. The average cost for an independent contractor to relocate the crusher a 40-kilometer distance is $300 to $400. This is true portability, which targets lower volume tenders, saving transportation costs. Discharge size of each of the crushing chambers can be adjusted independently. Adjustment is accomplished by releasing the seat retention spring on each end of the crusher and then setting a come-along between opposing toggle seats and pulling the base of the stationary jaws towards the center of the crusher. A shim can then be added or removed to provide the correct discharge size. In practice, the adjustment of both chambers requires approximately 20 minutes. Controls are simply mounted, making starting and stopping of all belts on the crusher close and easily accessible. Wireless operation of belts can be added to provide ease of operation by loader operator. Extreme portability, single pass crushing, long wear life.